Dear friends, welcome in our second lecture of Biological Characteristics of Wastewater. Before going to start lecture, I want to introduce our college and its admission policy. Sri Tulja Bhavani College of Engineering been run by Tulja Bhavani Temple Trust and headed by Honorable Mrs. Deepa Mudol Munde Madam, who is a chairperson of trust and District Collector Osmanabad. In view of social initiative and attachment, Sri Tulja Bhavani College of Engineering has launched tuition fees concession scheme for meritorious students deserving for admission but from economically weaker section of society. It is open to all classes and castes. Here scheme is explained through this chart. Students who are securing 30 to 40% CET score will get 25% in their tuition fees concession. Students who are securing 40.1 to 50 CET score and the students from direct second year securing 70 to 74% of their score will get 50% of fees concession. Students getting 50.1 to 60% of CET score and students direct year, second year students getting 75 to 84% of score, they will get 75% of fees concession. Students getting CET score more than 60% and direct second year student scoring more than 85% of mark will get 100% in their fees concession. Another characteristics of this scheme is special privilege for girls seeking admission in first year. They will get free accommodation for first year. If students securing more than 66% in first year, second year, third year, he will get 100% fees concession for the next academic year. And cooperative mess run by the boys and girls hostel uh, where student get food in bare minimum cost. Thank you. We'll continue our wastewater lecture. Wastewater, first we'll see wastewater composition. Wastewater or sewage contain organic matter and inorganic matter in the form of suspended, colloidal and dissolved solids. Organic matter consists of carbonaceous matter. It includes carbohydrates, fats, lipids, soap, plants, leaves, wood, flower. Nitrogenous matter, it includes urea, protein, ammonia, nitrate, nitrite, albuminide nitrogen. Inorganic matter consists of cinder, sand, grit, eggshells, glass, soil particles, clay particles and other mineral salts. Living organisms consist of aquatic plants and aquatic animals. Composition of wastewater largely depends upon the source. Depending upon concentration of constituents, sewage may be classified as strong, medium and weak. Sewage contain small percentage of solids as compared with large percentage of water. Sewage contain 99.9% of water and 0.1% of solids in the form of dissolved and suspended solids. Here, depending upon wastewater, characteristics are classified as physical, chemical and biological characteristics. Physical characteristics are classified as color, odor, temperature, turbidity and total solids. Chemical characteristics of wastewater as it includes pH value, chloride content, nitrogen content, surfactants, phenol, pesticides and agricultural chemicals, toxic compounds, sulfate, sulfides, and H2S. It includes also the other gases such as carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen, oxygen, methane, and hydrogen. It also contains dissolved oxygen. Biochemical oxygen demand and chemical oxygen demand are the chemical characteristics of wastewater. Wastewater also include biological characteristics. The principal groups of microorganisms found in wastewater are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, microscopic plants and animals, and viruses. Most microorganisms, that is bacteria, protozoa, are responsible and are beneficial for biological treatment process of wastewater. Pathogenic organisms are usually exerted by humans from the gastrointestinal tract and discharged to the wastewater. Waterborne diseases include cholera, typhoid, paratyphoid, fever, and diarrhea. The number of pathogenic organisms in wastewater is generally low in density and they are difficult to isolate and identify. Therefore, indicator bacteria such as total coliform and fecal coliform are used as indicator organism. Generally, aquatic microorganisms are classified as aquatic molds, that is fungi, bacteria and viruses. We will explain in detail physical characteristics. First, the physical characteristics of wastewater is a color. Depends mainly on the wastewater constituents. Fresh sewage is grey in color. With a passage of time, as putrefaction starts, it begins black. Second characteristic of wastewater is odor. Fresh sewage has a musty odor. It is not offensive as it starts. When it gets stale, it begins offensive odor within 3 to 4 hours. Not significant in aerobic. Anaerobic wastewater release hydrogen sulfide, that is a smell like rotten egg. Another one important characteristic of wastewater is temperature. Average temperature of wastewater is 20 degree. Temperature of wastewater is higher than the water supply. Rise in temperature increase the viscosity of water and tendency to precipitate. Extremely low temperature adversely affects efficiency of sedimentation. Bacterial activity increases with increase in temperature up to 60 degree. Solubility of gases in wastewater decreases with increase in temperature. Another important characteristic of wastewater is turbidity. Turbidity is caused by the presence of solids, mainly suspended solids from clays, sand, human waste and plant fibers. Turbidity indicates quality of waste discharge with respect to colloidal matter. Another important physical characteristic of wastewater is total solids. First we will see what is total solids. Total solids contains of wastewater is defined as all the matter remain as a residue upon evaporation at 103 degrees Celsius, 105 degrees Celsius. Organic, inorganic and living organisms. These constituents obtained in the form of solid in wastewater. Total solids are classified suspended, colloidal and dissolved. Suspended solids having size more than 1 micrometer. Suspended solids are those solids which remain floating in sewage. These are classified as the settlable solids which can be determined by Imhoff cone. Non-settlable solids don't settle down by detention, can arrest by special laboratory filters. Colloidal solids having diameter range 1 micrometer to 0.00001 micrometer consist of finely divided particles of gel, emulsion and foam. It can't be removed by gravitational settling and removed by biological oxidation or coagulation. In total solids, one of the important is dissolved solids smaller than 0.001 micrometer. Dissolved solids consist of both organic and inorganic molecules. These total solids are further classified as fixed solids. They are of inorganic material, volatile solids of organic material. Particles more than 10 micrometer in size settle without coagulation called settlable solids. Particles more than 10 micrometer are removed by coagulation. Here, the classification of particles can better explained by this chart. In this chart, you may see dissolved solids having range from 10 raised to minus 3 to 10 raised to minus 5. For colloidal solids, the range is from 10 raised to minus 1 microns to the 10 raised to minus 3 micron. For suspended or non-filtrable solids, the range is from 10 raised to minus from 10 to 10 raised to 2. In case of size in mm, the particles removed by coagulation having size 10 raised to minus 2 to 10 raised to minus 6, and settlable solids are classified from 10 raised to minus 3 to above. This is a better explanation of particle size. In chemical characteristics, it includes the organic compounds. Organic compounds. All organic compounds contain carbon in combination with one or more element. That in chemical, another important characteristics of chemical characteristics is pH. pH of sewage, when more than 7, it becomes alkaline. pH less than sewage, less than 7, it becomes acidic. When pH is equal to 7, it is a neutral. Fresh sewage is alkaline in nature. With the passage of time, it becomes acidic. pH determination is important in biological treatment for chemical coagulation, chlorination and disinfection. Important characteristics that a chemical characteristic is, it contains nitrogen. Nitrogen available in sewage in a different forms. Free ammonia, it is the first stage of decomposition of organic matter. Organic nitrogen, it is a total organic nitrogen available in wastewater. Nitrite, partly decomposed composition of organic matter. Nitrate, when sewage is available in fully decomposition, then this organic matter, it is in the form of nitrate. Chloride content, main source in sewage of chloride is kitchen waste, human feces and urinary discharge. Industry like ice cream plants, meat salting are the main source of chlorides. Sources of fats, oil and grease In a chemical characteristics are garage, kitchens of hotel and restaurant, discharge of animal and vegetable matter. Major problem in biological process due to scum on the surface and affect oxygen diffusion. Chemical characteristics also include toxic compounds such as copper, lead, silver, chromium, arsenic, phenol, boron, cyanide are the toxic compounds. Major source of fats and oils are industrial wastewater which affect biological treatment. Chemical characteristics also includes surfactants. These are the surface active agents. Surfactants come from synthetic detergents, discharge from bathrooms, kitchen and washing machine. Surfactants are responsible for foaming in wastewater treatment. Surfactant hindered aeration of wastewater. Surfactant contain ABS, that is alkyl benzene sulfonate, commonly used. It is not biodegradable, hence it is replaced by linear alkyl sulfonate which is biodegradable. Chemical characteristics also includes phenols, pesticides and agricultural chemicals. Phenol found in wastewater cause taste problem in drinking water, oxidized biologically if concentration up to 500 mg per liter. Pesticides, herbicides and agricultural chemicals result from surface runoff from agricultural, vacant, park, lands, especially a combined sewerage system. In chemical characteristics, chemicals also includes sulfides, hydrogen sulfide gases. In aerobic decomposition, sulfur converted to sulfides and to sulfate. In anaerobic decomposition, sulfur converted to sulfide with hydrogen sulfide and methane. In chemical characteristics, dissolved oxygen having very much importance. Amount of oxygen dissolved in water for the survival of the aquatic life, minimum 4 mg per liter dissolved oxygen is essential. It prevents the formation of obnoxious odor. Some factors which affect on the dissolved oxygen, that is temperature and TDS of water. Remaining part will continue in our third lecture.